Hey guys, on today's episode, we're going to take a look at that leaking fuel pump on the 67 Camaro. We're going to take a look at the brakes to make sure they're working properly, and then we're going to wrap it up. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'm going to pull the fuel pump off this car and replace it since this one was leaking. Hopefully I don't block the camera too much. Fun when the bolt is too loose for the ratchet to work and too tight to be taken off with your fingers. Alright, there it is. This doesn't look like it's going to work. I may have to order a different fuel pump. I'll probably end up giving them this one and letting them take that route on it. In the meantime, I can get it all cleaned up. Alright guys, the new fuel pump came in and I had to put the fittings on the bottom of it, but otherwise it's ready to go. The one thing that a lot of cars have that you have to be aware of is there's a little rod right in here. You can see it, it's silver. That rod's got to get pushed back up into the block, and that sits right on this piece right here when the car's running. So you need to have clearance to get that rod past the rod that's in the block. So we're going to go ahead and put a little grease on it and see if we can't shove it back up in there. The grease kind of holds it up into the block until you can get it on. Of course, I got grease on my freshly cleaned opening, so we'll wipe that down again. And I can't get it to budge. I'm going to have to grab a little pick or something to push that up. Have to get a different pick. Yeah, must not have got enough grease on it. Get a little more. Get it way up in there. This can be a little bit fun sometimes, so it's not surprising. Man, this one's really loose in there. It keeps wanting to fall down right away. That one really doesn't want to stay up there. I'm going to have to take a different approach to it, I guess. Normally the grease trick works. Those are always a little bit challenging, not too bad. Now hook the fuel lines up. All right, I think we got it. Let's see if it starts and runs now. Don't see any leaks. I think we're good. Now we just have to fix the brakes. Drums look alright. The adjuster fell out of it when I opened it up. I'm going to take a peek at the other side. pretty good in this one. Just the adjuster fell out of the other side. I'm gonna put that back in, and that may fix the issue. And it's frozen up. All right, I got it to turn. All right, it's moving real freely right now. Bar right in here is not in here correctly either. I'm going to fix this as well. It's in backwards. Should be this way. Alright, I think everything else looks like it's in correctly, so we'll put it back together once and try it out. Alright, we're going to take a look at the fronts. The adjuster's laying there on this one as well. I don't think that's put together correctly. Looks like this one's got a new wheel cylinder in it. Alright, I'm just going to make sure everything's free and then put it back together. Alright, I ended up putting a new hardware kit in here. A lot of the springs didn't look the best. They were kind of bent, so I got a new hardware kit and went ahead and put them in. Not too bad right there. Let's go do the other side. There we go. Let's try it again. I think this one's just a tad rusty, and that's why I'm getting that. I think it's fine though. There we go. Alright, Ed and I went through and bled the brakes, and we set the tension on all these. You want them so there's just a little bit of drag. So I think we've got them all set, so we're going to put this tires back on and take it out for a drive and see how it works. Alright, I think the 67 Camaro is done at this point for what the customer wanted on it. We got it running, got the brakes working, so you can at least take it out for a drive now and have a little fun in it. I'm kind of thinking it's going to need a bath. And the battery's dead. Try it one more time here. Alright, battery's dead. Let me go get a jumper pack.